Hey, young artists! Today, we're about to create a cheerful scene that will brighten up any day, a beautiful house with a sunny sky and fluffy clouds. Are you ready to bring this cozy home to life with me? Let's dive right in. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Get your markers ready because we're about to sketch and draw our dream house together. Let's start with a triangle for the roof. Picture a cozy roof over our heads. Now, let's add a rectangle underneath. That's the main part of our house.
Cool!
Next, let's add some details. A door for welcoming visitors. And 2 windows on each side. And why not another window on the roof?
Cool!
Let's make our house extra special. No house is complete without a chimney. Let's add one poking out from the roof.
Awesome!
Now, let's bring some life to our surroundings. Add some bushes behind the house for a touch of nature. Look up, and what do we see? Fluffy clouds floating in the sky. Let's add some clouds to our sunny scene. And of course, what's a sunny day without a shining sun? Let's add a big, bright sun to our sky. Our drawing is complete, but let's make it stand out even more by outlining everything with bold, sharp lines. Now, let's add a pop of color to our masterpiece. Get your markers ready. It's time to bring this scene to life. Red color. Yellow color. Orange color. Blue color. Green color. Blue color. Yellow color. Wow, what an amazing creation we've made together. A cozy house, a sunny sky, and fluffy clouds. It's like a dream come true. I'm so proud of your creativity. Keep drawing, keep smiling, and keep spreading joy with your art. Hello, little artists. Are you ready to create something adorable today? Get ready to dive into the colorful world of art as we learn how to draw a cute ladybug. To begin our ladybug adventure, let's grab our trusty black marker and start by drawing a T shape. This will be the body of our ladybug. Next, draw a half circle on top of the T. This will be its head. Now, let's draw the body of our ladybug by connecting the ends of the T shape and rounding it out. Keep those lines nice and smooth.
Wow!
Next, let's give our ladybug some personality by adding 2 cute antennae to its head. Then, let's decorate its body with some small circles. These will be its spots.
Cool!
Before we move on to coloring, let's go over our drawing with the black marker again to make the outlines bold and sharp. This will make our ladybug stand out. Now it's time to add some vibrant colors to our ladybug. Let's use watercolor for this part. Grab your watercolor palette and let's start. Red color. Dark blue color.
Awesome!
Yellow color.
Wow!
Orange color. To make our ladybug's features stand out even more, let's use black watercolor to make the outlines more visible and neat. For the eyes, use white watercolor with a black dot in each eye. Then add a yellow circle around the white. Our ladybug needs a place to roam, so let's use green watercolor to create a vibrant background for it to explore. Wow, amazing work, little artists! You've created a beautiful and colorful ladybug masterpiece. Keep exploring your creativity and remember to have fun with your art. Until next time, happy drawing and keep spreading those creative wings. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.